Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure UC browser is up to date and the subtitle file is ready. This avoids format mismatches. Open the video right away in UC's built-in player or load a local file. Tap the player controls to reveal options, then look for a captions or subtitle icon. Once done, choose Load Subtitle or Enable Captions so the player can read external files or fetch auto-generated text. This immediate action gets you into the subtitle configuration without extra setup steps. Now focus on loading and syncing the subtitles so they match speech. Tap the subtitle option and pick your SRT or VTT file from storage. If UC detects multiple tracks, select the preferred language. If timing is off, use the subtitle offset or sync control to shift captions forward or back by seconds. Small adjustments matter for comprehension. Make sure encoding is correct if characters are garbled, and once synced, play a few samples to confirm alignment before continuing with playback. Finish by customizing appearance and saving the setup so subtitles work every time. Use font size, color, and background opacity settings to improve readability. These changes matter on small screens. Save or mark the subtitle file for auto-load so UC attaches it automatically next time. If captions don't appear, restart the player or reload the file. If that fails, check the file format and encoding or re-download afresh. SRT. That single troubleshooting step fixes most loading issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.